guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. Y'all know my sister. So as you guys can see from the title, she's gonna be doing my makeup. No, my sister, not who know makeup. So this will be interesting. So I am excited. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Yes, go on.
No eating.
I know me sitting there, I don't know. So, I'm more there.
You hear me say no eating? Yeah, talk to no talking.
At least you know if you use the brushy.
Why you eating? You're spoiling the emojis.
But it choose pros.
Next, I use the, you know what you call it? I'm gonna make her eye.
You make me eye?
Whoever call me too bad. Busy. KK, me say no eating. This is unbugging. Will you tell her to stop?
Okay.
Don't laugh, please. Shh. Shh. Gosh. Keep your hands. Don't look in the mirror. KK, don't move. You know me, I'm a professional. You sit down and decide if you eat.
I'm hungry.
Too bad. Boy, this is so not working out.
You just start.
Those eyes.
Yeah, them luck. What more do
Yeah, so stubborn here, you see.
I know.
Me so fix it up, laugh.
You know I laugh?
Why? Nash, go help me.
I was going to tell Lori about the video, Shani. Okay. Lori said, well, I can't wait to sit down here.
I say, yes, I banana use Lori. Alright. Wait.
No, stop. Ah! Jeez, Lad.
Just wait now.
Yeah, you got me here.
Me nah you cut the eye for top chat. That will not happen.
This is stuff, yeah.
Stop it.
Oh, yeah.
She got some stubborn eyebrows. I told her to shave her eyebrows.
Must
Tell her
shave
to
them.
shave it.
Must
She don't
shave it.
shave her off enough. Turn around, me see what it look like, lad. Stop steer punning.
What?
That me have too much. It cream me, you see.
I lie.
Alright.
Simit. Look at this one.
I get that one day. Not really, but anyway.
By the way, guys, I not help her. I just plug in my makeup in front of her. I not tell her which one. Which one I normally use for you.
This are more done. I must this.
Miss, mine just fell from my bed.
You can't wash though. Stop move. Boy! Feel a busy God, stop by here.
Come by here, lad.
Cause this is a sight. Close your eyes and stop look. You're too fast. You remember first day when I do makeup and me make a chance for me didn't look for you? No. Me just make you do your thing. And every time you practice for me, make you do your thing. Which remind me, you need to do one smoky eye for me one day.
I go on there too.
Shakay, I eat.
You done.
Close the eyes. Yeah, smart move. Lord Jesus. Me feel failed.
Why?
You know, just feel failed. Move ya. Keke! You know, so she hard to deal with.
Me done. You done.
Oh.
Take it out. Get that too.
Look at face. Not like that, idiot. And stop trying to kiss us. Okay, pull up my eyebrow.
Jesus.
Top quint. So you always do me top quint. Nikki, if you're not busy, come by here. Ugh, it's gonna nasty me up.
You know where my head after then? You just douche.
I don't know.
I don't know. No, say a long time, something. It's been a long... Lord, I'm interested to see what you do with the eyeshadow. Hey.
Talk about that. The makeup no wipe off good.
Do you do, man?
Here. Hold it. Hold up your face. She always said me to pat it in. So let me pat it in. And then blend it out. Don't touch.
You pat it into my mouth.
You see how she not give me no little encouragement? She just
Why? ShareAlike.
Mommy, if you're not busy, come by here. Come tell me what me I do wrong.
You ask for me. I'm look like shit to get about makeup.
She's a mother. Mother always knows.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see how this end up. See, it's not hiding anything. I want it to hide the spot. It's trouble with my neck. Moving down there. You see how I feel now? Next time you know if you leave me alone. Ever bother me now? I'm telling her I'm afraid I'm like.
You tell me do it.
Yes, you come. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to use one of those concealer eye, those black blocks. You come. Me attend. Me a makeup artist and talk to me.
Are you okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, she's expecting me to fail.
Jesus.
So because of this, she keeps
Not
laughing at me. And I'm a good makeup artist, you know. So I'm kind.
Ah, yeah.
I'm not going near your eye. I'm just trying to hide. They might take say yes, I know you can answer.
You know.
It's good you're not stopping. I'm trying not to get to your eyes, yo. They're pretty. That is something. Or if you want some of these, just check out Glam. What's she?
I'm gonna put it down below.
Oh, me need to highlight your face. Lord Jesus, I want me use again. You don't even remember.
Any color for the house color?
Shh.
You don't squeeze nothing out of that. I don't feel nothing for my face all now.
I don't know what I'm doing. Mommy, help me.
Let me know say if you done it on one side.
Right.
Me say, you know what I take time? Yeesh.
Oh no, I don't know if you do makeup and I can't take time and shave me on the camera. You know, close your eyes and stop laughing and stop chat to mommy.
Beg you some now.
Mommy craving.
Beg you some.
No.
1 spoon.
No. You have to smudge my lipstick.
What? No lipstick not today. Easily eyeshadow. You know why you never use it actual?
No.
Eyeshadow.
No.
Jesus.
Eyeshadow. No, upon your eye, same thing me I put here.
So eyeshadow there.
Me so put on it yet.
Why not? Tasha? No, sir. If you want. This will make it fun.
Me too perfect, man. That I'm problem. Yeah.
Tasha? Shh. I'm just asking.
Shh.
I use it as I ask.
Shh. I make your eyebrow move.
So?
If you ever spoil my makeup look, me I tell him say you do it. Uh-oh. Come me damage this sitting.
In. Swim there.
Purple.
Willie, man.
That's what she do.
A lie.
Close your eyes.
Wait. It's kind of lean.
Mommy, I know you're sitting there when you got it. Come me want it, you know.
Really great.
The one where around there was just sitting another. I don't know, Missy chocolate sitting.
But everybody will take. Anybody get that have to go share with everybody. I want to see.
Love me see it.
Thank God.
Me did see it. I'm say it in my mind. I say anybody I even want it.
Come on, finger.
Yep,
Never do makeup ever again. Come, baby. You're keeping up people time.
I'm not sure which man. Sure.
Close the eyes. Gosh, you're just so far from me.
Can you ask Shakay?
Now. Look. What you saying in right brush we are yours? Why? This is a task. Mommy, you need to try that challenge, bud. Yes, you need to try it.
That's not my calling.
I'm not sure he calling either.
Right now, I don't know what I'm doing here. Your mommy, I'm just trying something. People. I'm not laughing, yeah? I use me, if you right.
Can you keep me back from?
But me, I use it. Come, I'm gonna put a little pink. No, purple. Light purple on your eyes. Yes. I don't. That's how it goes, Mom. But anyway. Oh yeah, mommy. Sure. Mommy's no help. Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed.
You hear?
Purple. Me see that. Me see that. May I use me hand? No, me hand not correct.
You're off acting, man. You're in it.
Why?
You're acting alive.
Why figure aggressive?
Mm.
May you so rest in peace and have purpose upon it. Amen. Thank you, Jesus. Jesus. Yeah, this because by me saying.
Oh, Lily.
Shh. You want green too much, me I put on my own color, sir. Come here for your makeup.
Bling up.
You know me, I'll try that. I'm make her do your makeup one day.
Put on my favorite color pan because I feel my sister and I feel good or bright. People, I don't know what I do. I'm just doing something. So y'all don't comment and bashing me in the comments. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just trying something. Can you see your eye? Yes. Alright, so what else more up there? So some whitey. This is going to be disastrous. Come. and they think you look good.
Hey, no business.
You're dead done.
I don't see the bright colors.
Mom! What bright color? What's wrong with you? I'm just doing glitters.
Ain't you blind, yeah?
Nah, blind, my sister. Oh, Jesus.
Lord, prepare.
You know what? I think I should leave this. Do that one there for me. Please. And about to do it bad tree and want me beg you. Oh. You know, do all of this so. Yes, next side please. Thank you. Now, mascara.
Yeah.
One, shall we? Ooh, a lot is in this one. Ooh. Don't blink. Whatever you do, don't blink. Tapping a girl.
Wait. Maybe the gun so dark all of a sudden. I saw my camera with this light, you know. We need a
Could you stop talking? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Smile. Nice. There you go. Cheeks be popping. My lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss is popping. Right. Now I could give her one cute lip look. We need to moisturize that dryness right there. Our lip dry. Come. Osha putus. Bite. Nice. Purple it is. Now I wonder if it had turned out in a purple, Jesus. Okay, yes it is. Bite. Bite. And let me clean up that lip. Bite back up to your nose. It's Corona time. Alright guys. What did I do?
Alright, now come close. Well, I'ma see. I got it.
I have no idea.
Oh my god. Yes guys, so that's the makeup look. Tell her down below how she did.
0.
From 1 to 10, how much out of 10 she gets? Me would I give her a 5 out of 10. Alright, so the first thing
Me
is
get
first.
enough.
The eyebrow did I want good, you know. But you see the lines or a too sharp or so. Remember me tell you now. Whenever you're doing eyebrow, I was
What?
brush.
I don't know. I did
You can't see well enough. Oh, there we go. Remember, so you would do this. Like you put some concealer there and then I do this until it kind of sitting there more. You know, come on. But I'm just saying. That's one. But the eyebrows, not bad. And a makeup blend out good. Not lie. But you see them highlights up here. If you go up in a one line, you know, for the smooth power. But yeah. And then the eyeshadow, but then I want to go with the eyeshadow.
I just wanted to use spear glitter and it wasn't working. Oh god.
But 5 out of 10.
At least I got 0. Oh gosh.
But yes, guys.
This is torture.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. By the way, guys, if you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe down below. Shani, tell them to subscribe now.
Subscribe. What are you waiting for? That's right. Touch that button.
Yes. Click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a video. Guys, see you in the next one. Bye.